Good morning, children. Welcome to our new session. Today we are going to start a new lesson in unit number 5. What is the name of this lesson? The Summit Within. This story is the experiences of Major HPS Ahluwalia, a member of the first successful Indian expedition to Mount Everest. Ahluwalia was full of humility when he stood on the summit of Everest. Summit of Everest. Summit means, what is the meaning of summit here? Summit means peak. Peak of Everest. He thanked God for on the summit of Everest. Then he thanked God for his physical success. जब माउंट एवरेस्ट पे उन्होंने फर्स्ट टाइम समिट पे पाँव रखा था, तब उन्होंने सबसे पहले गॉड को थैंक किया था उनकी फिजिकल सक्सेस के लिए. इट वॉज द हाइएस्ट ऑफ द गोल्स फॉर हिम. While getting down from the summit, he asked himself why he climbed Everest and what made him to do so. So let's begin this lesson. Before you read, Major HPS Ahluwalia was a member of the first successful Indian expedition to Mount Everest in 1965. Which year? 1965. How did he feel when he stood on the highest point in the world? Let's hear this story in his words. Climbing the summit and then the more difficult task of climbing the summit within. So let's begin this lesson. So all of you concentrate in your textbook. Of all the emotions which surged through me as I stood on the summit of Everest, looking over miles of panorama below us, the dominant one I think was humility. Here, Ahluwalia discussed and shared his feeling and experience in his own words. That's why here in this lesson I refers to Ahluwalia. यहाँ पे आलूवालिया जो है वो अपने ही वर्ड्स में उनके बारे में बता रहे हैं जब वो माउंट एवरेस्ट उन्होंने सक्सेसफुली एक्सपेडिशन किया था, तो उनकी जो फीलिंग थी वो अपने वर्ड्स में बता रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे आई मीन्स हमें आलूवालिया समझना है. तो वो क्या बोल रहे हैं? लुकिंग ओवर माइल्स ऑफ पेनोरामा बिलो अस. What is the meaning of panorama? Panorama means view of a wide area. The dominant one, dominant means important, chief and outstanding. तो वो क्या बोल रहे हैं? जो आउटस्टैंडिंग था वो आई थिंक वॉज द ह्यूमिलिटी. वो क्या था? वो ह्यूमिलिटी थी. ह्यूमिलिटी मीन्स हम्बलनेस. Then the physical in me seemed to say, thank God, it's all over. So he thanked God for his physical success. However, instead of being jubilant, there was a ting of sadness. Jubilant. Here the word is used, jubilant. Jubilant means very happy because of success. He became very happy when he reached at the peak of the Mount Everest. Was it because I had already done the ultimate in climbing and there would be nothing higher to climb and all roads hereafter would lead down? Ting. Here the word is used, ting. Ting means shade. By climbing the summit of Everest, you are overwhelmed by a deep sense of joy and thankfulness. It is a joy which lasts a lifetime. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means overpowered with emotion. The experience changes you completely. The man who has been to the mountains इज़ नेवर द सेम अगेन. क्या बोल रहे हैं? वो इंसान जो एक बार माउंटेन के ऊपर चढ़कर आता है वो कभी सेम नहीं होता. मीन्स वो कम्प्लीटली चेंज हो जाता है. दिस एक्सपीरियंस चेंजेस यू कम्प्लीटली. हु सेड दिस? आलूवालिया सेड दिस. एज आई लुक बैक एट लाइफ आफ्टर क्लाइंबिंग एवरेस्ट, I cannot help remarking about the other summit, the summit of the mind, no less formidable and no easier to climb. Here the word is used formidable, which is unknown to you. Formidable means awe or respect. In other words, we can say difficult to overcome. Then next page. Even when getting down from the summit, once the physical exhaustion had gone. क्या बोल रहे हैं वो? इवन जब मैं वहाँ पे ऊपर चढ़ के मैं जब समिट के नीचे उतर रहा था, पीक से नीचे उतर रहा था, तो मेरी जो थकान थी वो कंप्लीटली चली गई थी. आई बिगेन आस्किंग माई सेल्फ द क्वेश्चन वाई आई हैड क्लाइम्ड एवरेस्ट. फिर वो बोल रहे कि मैं अपने आप से ही क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा था कि मैं एवरेस्ट क्यों चढ़ा था. वाई डिड द एक्ट ऑफ रीचिंग द समिट हैव सच अ होल्ड on my imagination? It was already a thing of the past, something done yesterday. With every passing day it would become more remote, and then what would remain? Would my memories fade slowly away? All these thoughts led me to question myself as to why people climb mountains. तो ये जब थॉट्स थे, ये जब सोच थी, वो मैं अपने आप से उसके बारे में सवाल करता रहता था, सवाल पूछता रहता था कि लोग जो है वो माउंटेन क्लाइंब क्यों करते होंगे. इट इज़ नॉट ईजी टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन. और ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना इजी नहीं था. द सिंपलेस्ट आंसर वुड बी एज अदर्स हैव सेड, बिकॉज इट इज़ देयर, इट प्रेजेंट्स ग्रेट डिफिकल्टीज. Man takes delight in overcoming obstacles. Obstacles means hurdles. जो विघ्न आते हैं हमारे रास्ते में, it's called obstacles, hindrances. The obstacles in climbing a mountain are physical. Usually किसी को भी माउंटेन क्लाइंब करने में, माउंटेन के ऊपर चढ़ने में जो विघ्न आता है, जो ऑब्स्टेकल आता है, वो फिजिकली होता है. A climb to a summit means endurance, persistence and willpower. Here in this sentence three words are used. First one is endurance, second one is persistence, and third one is willpower. So what is the meaning of endurance? Endurance means stamina, tolerance. Then another word is used here, persistence. Persistence means tirelessness, constancy without feeling tired. And willpower means intelligence. The demonstration of these physical qualities is no doubt exhilarating, as it was for me also. Exhilarating means exciting. So these are the meaning of these words. So what Ahluwalia said? Ahluwalia said the people climbed mountains because they present great difficulties. Man takes delight in overcoming obstacles. A climb to a summit, पीक के ऊपर चढ़ना, पीक के ऊपर पहुंचना मीन्स द डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ऑफ क्लाइंबर्स एंड्योरेंस. जो चढ़ता है उसकी जो एंड्योरेंस है, सहन शक्ति है, टॉलरेंस है, देन उसकी जो कॉन्स्टेंसी है, विल पावर है, उसका डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन जो है वो रिप्रेजेंट करता है. देन Ahluwalia was saying, I have a more personal answer to the question. From my childhood, I have been attracted by mountains. जब मैं छोटा था तब से मैं माउंटेन से अट्रैक्ट था. I had been miserable, lost when away from mountains. In the plains, mountains are nature at its best. Their beauty and majesty pose a great challenge. And like many, I believe that mountains are a means of communion with God. क्या बोल रहे हैं वो? Since childhood, the narrator Ahluwalia has been attracted by mountains. For him, mountains are nature at its best. They have a challenging beauty and majesty. They are a means of communion with God. Here the word is use communion. What is the meaning of it? Communion means state or feeling of close relationship. Then he said, once having granted this question remains, why Everest? Because it is the highest, the mightiest, and has defied many previous attempts. Then he said, Everest is the highest and mightiest peak and has defied many previous attempts. It takes the last ounce of one's energy. It is a brutal struggle with rock and ice. जब हम माउंटेन एक्सपेडिशन करते हैं, माउंटेन के ऊपर क्लाइंब करने जाते हैं, तो बीच में बहुत सारे रॉक्स आते हैं, बहुत सारे आइस मीन्स बर्फ़ के टुकड़े आते हैं. सो इट इज़ अ ब्रूटल स्ट्रगल विथ रॉक एंड आइस. हमें उनके साथ स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है. वंस टेकन अप इट कांट बी गिवन अप हाफ वे इवन व्हेन वंस लाइफ इज एट स्टेक. Then here the word is used brutal. Brutal means harsh, very strong and harsh. The passage back is as difficult as the passage onwards. And then when the summit is climbed, there is the exhilaration, the joy of having done something, the sense of a battle fought and won. There is a feeling of victory and of happiness. Here Ahluwalia said, its view brings a spiritual change in his mind. It posed a challenge before him which was difficult to resist. And one feels connected with the supernatural element on reaching the summit. And जब कोई summit पर एक बार पहुंच जाता है तो वो supernatural element जो है वो feel करता है. One becomes conscious of one's own smallness in this large universe. It provides physical, emotional, and spiritual fulfillment. There is a feeling of victory and happiness. Glimpsing a peak in the distance, I get transported to another world. जब पीक मेरे बहुत ही नज़दीक था, मेरे डिस्टेंस से बहुत नज़दीक था, तब मैं ऐसे फील कर रहा था जैसे मैं कोई दूसरी दुनिया में चला गया हूँ. आई एक्सपीरियंस अ चेंज विद इन माई सेल्फ. इवन मैं अपने अंदर भी एक चेंज एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा था विच कैन ओनली बी कॉल्ड मिस्टिकल. मिस्टिकल मीन्स स्पिरिचुअल. बाय इट्स ब्यूटी, aloofness, might, ruggedness, and the difficulties encountered on the way, the peak draws me to it as Everest did. It is a challenge that is difficult to resist. And ये सब जो है वो मेरे लिए एक चैलेंज थी जो रेजिस्ट करने में वो बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट थी. Looking back, I find that I have not yet fully explained why I climbed Everest. Here you can see the scenario in this picture. One can climb the mountain, the peak, Everest. It is like answering a question, why you breathe? Why do you help your neighbor? Why do you want to do good acts? There is no final answer possible. Then Ahluwalia said, climbing a mountain is a highly risky job. माउंटेन क्लाइंब करना वो बहुत ही रिस्की जॉब है एंड नीड्स अदर्स हेल्प ऑल्सो. द फेलो क्लाइंबर्स प्रूव्ड टू बी अ सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन. नाउ रिमेनिंग लेसन वी विल डिस्कस इन अवर नेक्स्ट पीरियड. ओके, बाय एवरीवन, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.